Local news for Tuesday, the 17th of September. Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. Wairarapa police are investigating a ram raid on a central Masterton business. In the early hours of yesterday morning, a Nissan Primera has smashed through Stirling Sports windows and doors, and a number of items were taken. Police are asking if anyone has information to get in contact directly or anonymously via Crime Stoppers. Kinanui College is hosting their first ever Careers Day for students, staff, whānau and members of the community today. The event is a collaboration between the college, Youth and Education, Training and Employment, Business Wairarapa and the Wairarapa Economic Development Team. Focuses on students initiating inspiring conversations with real people in real jobs. The annual Age Concern Expo takes place today at the Carterton Event Centre, running from 9:30 until 2. The expo is targeted at all ages, families as well as individuals, reflecting that seniors are an important role in all of our lives. And in sport, the Solway College Dressage event takes place tomorrow. The biggest of its size, or of its kind rather, in the Lower North Island, sees a record number of entries with over 130 competitors. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.